Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your channel public on your account on Discord on your server, easy and quick. First click here, and now after you add your name, after you choose your channel type here, just click like this and it will be public, and after this click create, and that's it. That's how to make your channel public on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.